Actress Blake Lively is currently embroiled in a significant legal battle with director Justin Baldoni, stemming from their collaboration on the film It Ends With Us. Lively initially sued Baldoni in December 2024, leveling accusations of sexual harassment and a smear campaign. As part of his defense, Baldoni's legal team recently demanded that Lively release her medical records, including therapy notes. This request came in response to Lively's claims of suffering severe emotional distress and pain, humiliation, and embarrassment due to the alleged events. In a new development, Lively is now attempting to withdraw two specific claims from her lawsuit: intentional infliction of emotional distress and negligent infliction of emotional distress. The court is set to decide whether to allow these claims to be dismissed, or if Lively will be compelled to hand over her mental health-related information. Documents filed by Baldoni's legal team on Monday revealed that Lively's counsel advised them, in writing, of her intention to withdraw these emotional distress claims. However, Baldoni's team noted that Lively refused their reasonable request that the withdrawal of such claims be with prejudice, meaning she's not agreeing to prevent them from being refiled in the future. Lively's lawyers, in turn, have publicly dismissed Baldoni's filing as a press stunt. They clarified that their client's defense is streamlining and focusing her case. They further asserted that Baldoni and his production company, Wayfarer, by filing retaliatory claims, have exposed themselves to new, expansive damages claims under California law, rendering some of Lively's original claims no longer necessary. Lively's legal team stresses that she continues to allege emotional distress as part of numerous other claims in her lawsuit, such as sexual harassment and retaliation, seeking massive additional compensatory damages on all of her claims. The legal drama intensified in January of this year, when Justin Baldoni countersued Blake Lively and her husband, actor Ryan Reynolds. His counterclaims include civil extortion, defamation, and invasion of privacy. This bitter dispute has been ongoing since the film It Ends With Us was released last summer. The movie is an adaptation of a best-selling novel by Colleen Hoover, in which Blake Lively stars as Lily Bloom, a young woman who, after growing up witnessing domestic abuse, finds herself in a similar difficult situation years later. The content of the film itself, dealing with sensitive themes, adds another layer of complexity to the real-life allegations surrounding its production. In a surprising turn of events last month, singer Taylor Swift was briefly drawn into the legal proceedings. She was summoned to a U.S. court following allegations that she had encouraged Baldoni to accept script rewrites proposed by Blake Lively. However, representatives for Taylor Swift quickly clarified that she was not involved in any casting or creative decision and never saw an edit or made any notes on the film. Approximately 2 weeks later, the subpoena was dropped. Swift's legal team successfully objected to the order, arguing that it amounted to an unwarranted fishing expedition. This development removed a high-profile third party from the core of the Lively-Baldoni legal battle, which continues to unfold with significant claims and counterclaims from both sides.